I recently had the opportunity to visit with some of Branson's business people at what we lovingly call the Old Timers Club. As we discussed the face of downtown Branson, we remembered the many businesses that used to be in the various buildings. I soon came to the realization that only a handful of businesses still bear the name of their family founders. One such business is, in fact, celebrating a 60th anniversary this week. It's Akers and Arney Insurance. A few years back, the agency moved into a new facility at the north edge of town after many years as a downtown fixture. Ed Akers remembers how his father, Elvin, started the business. Elvin, in fact, started a number of businesses in Branson. At one point, he opened a restaurant on the southeast corner of Main and Commercial Streets and later sold it to Ray Mang. He also started a grocery store at Atlantic and today's Business 65. When that sold, it became Hart's Market, at which many Branson residents shopped throughout the years. Elvin was indeed a doer. In addition to his commercial business dealings, he enjoyed working in his real estate office. But real estate in the Ozarks in 1952 wasn't something to keep a doer busy every day, so that's when Elvin decided to start an insurance agency. He figured if he sold a policy a day, there would always be something to do every day next year as he serviced his clients' renewals and assisted them with claims or additional coverage. The first office for Akers Insurance was above the historic Security Bank at Main and Commercial, today's Patricia's Victorian Gifts. As the business grew, Elvin moved to a location on South Commercial and then to offices in the 100 block of Main Street. Eventually, Akers would have his own building with a new office near the railroad track at 201 Main Street. There, the business thrived until it moved to its new facility adjacent to the Branson Junior High School. Elvin died suddenly in 1970, and for a time the community questioned what might happen to the business. That question was soon answered when Elvin's son, Ed, decided to take over and continue his father's work. In time, Akers took in a business partner, David Arney, and the name was expanded to Akers and Arney Insurance. A plaque stands near the old Akers building near the railroad tracks in Branson, today's downtown Starbucks, which simply states, Elvin Akers. He loved these hills. Indeed he did. And he did a lot to create and insure new businesses to help the economy in our little town during the second half of its centennial. On the occasion of its 60th anniversary, we count Elvin Akers, Akers and Arney Insurance among our Ozark Mountain gems.